I want to dedicate this song to Jonathan Lounge,
espera.
Gemini Smith, and Matthew Hinkle. What's on your mind?
Demonstration on this nation as a manifest. Got us locked to the jail cell, the others they was put to rest. I had no teacher, it was like my pops had passed away. Bought me a Swinton, snapped his fingers, he was gone away. Apply the pressure, drastic measures make the victims fall. One shot to the head.